Let's talk about how to harvest your greens. So the nice thing about growing greens like lettuces, collards, all kinds of spinach, kale, things like that, they have something called cut and come again opportunity, which means instead of just eating the entire thing, cutting it off and then it's gone, you can simply cut the outside leaves and then that vegetable will continue to grow and grow. So you cut and come again, and it'll last you throughout that whole season, depending on your climate. So let me show you exactly what I mean so that you know where to cut the different vegetables that you're eating when it comes to these greens so that they can continue to grow and thrive your entire season. So how you're gonna do cut and come again harvesting is you're gonna take a look at your greens. Now these aren't very big yet, but you can definitely go ahead and harvest. So you always wanna take the outside leaves. So this one here, this one here. You don't wanna cut the middle leaves. That's what's gonna continue to be growing and growing. So just come along the outside, give a little snip down at the bottom, put it in your little handy harvest basket right there. Another one right here. So you would come on the outside and take from there, and that way the plant can continue to keep growing. You just want to make sure you don't cut the middle leaves because that's where it's growing from the center. So just like that, all around, cut what you need, and you want to leave about 2/3 of the plant. So you don't want to take too much, but again, these are sort of young baby plants, and so they're going to grow a lot bigger, but I'm just showing you for demonstration reasons on where you're going to cut. Bok choy is another one of those cut and come again type of harvests. So here I am just cutting off all of those outer leaves. So always those outside leaves is where you're gonna take from for the cut and come again approach for harvesting your greens.